Hi, I'm Jeff Belomo with Belomo and Associates, and I would like to personally invite you to an upcoming workshop that we are holding for attorney Dave Morrison and attorney Bruce Bankenstein's clients. As you may know, we were very fortunate to be able to purchase their practices so that they could retire several years ago. It has been an honor and a pleasure meeting you and working with all of their clients. We recently have discovered that we need to update the documents that were done by both attorneys respectively. We will be hosting a workshop exclusive for their clients and only for their clients. So please come to the upcoming workshop so that you can learn what changes need to be made, what documents need to be updated. Even if you have already attended one of our workshops a few years ago, please come to this workshop as we have completely revamped what we're doing for their clients and brought the price point down in order to be able to accommodate their clients. Plus, we're giving a special discount only for Attorney Morrison and Attorney Bankenstein's clients. We would love to see you at the workshop so that we can explain what has changed over the last few years, what needs to be updated, and what planning you should have in place to make sure that your family is protected during your life and after your death. We look forward to seeing you at the upcoming workshop and working with you. Thanks again, and until then, we'll see you real soon.